everyone, and welcome to my channel. Best Top 10. Today I am excited to talking about Top 10 most favorite romantic Korean drama couples right now. Let's get into the list. 10. Startup couple. Seo Dalmi and Nam Do-san. Seo Dalmi and Nam Do-san are the main characters in Startup, played by Bae Suzy and Nam Joo-hyuk. They're a great team, with Dalmi being determined and ambitious, while Do-san is super smart but a bit awkward socially. They meet while chasing their dreams in the startup world, and their love story is really touching. Despite facing many challenges, they support each other and their relationship grows stronger. What's special about them is how real and deep their connection feels, making their journey relatable to fans of K-dramas who enjoy watching love stories unfold amidst life's hurdles. 9. Dr. Romantic 3. Couple. Seo Woo-jin and Cha Yoon-jae. Returning for its third season in 2023, the hit K-drama Drive Romantic once again charmed audiences with the endearing reset couple, portrayed by An Hyo-seop and Lee Sun-kyung. Despite facing opposition, the duo's on-screen chemistry and heartfelt performances showcased their unwavering commitment to making their relationship work. 8. Suspicious Partner couple. No Ji-wook and Yoon Bong-hee. No Ji-wook and Yoon Bong-hee are the main characters in Suspicious Partner, played by Ji Chang-wook and Nam Ji-hyen. They're a couple you can't help but root for, thrown into a murder case that brings them together. At first, they clash a lot, but as they work together to solve the case, they grow closer. What makes them special is how strong their connection feels, even when things get tough. Despite facing many challenges and betrayals, they stick together, showing that trust and loyalty can overcome anything. Their story is full of ups and downs, making it a captivating watch for fans who love heartfelt romance mixed with a bit of mystery. 7. King the Land couple. Gu Won and Chun Sa-rang. In King the Land, Lee Jun-ho and Im Yoon-ah star as Gu Won and Chun Sa-rang, two characters whose deep connection and sweet moments make their love story captivating. The rom-com K-drama's success is owed to the perfect chemistry between Lee Jun-ho and Yoon-ah. Jun-ho plays the eccentric CEO Ji Yoo-won, who falls for his employee, Chun Sa-rang, forming the beloved Guring couple. Their on-screen romance, complete with memorable kissing scenes, even sparked real-life dating rumors, although both actors denied them. Overall, King the Land is a delightful series filled with romance, comedy, and irresistible chemistry between its leads. 6. Business Proposal couple. Kang Tae-moo and Shin Ha-ri. Business Proposal revolves around Shin Ha-ri, a food researcher, who helps her wealthy best friend, Jin Young-seo, by impersonating her to go on a blind date. Unexpectedly, her blind date turns out to be her CEO Kang Tae-moo, who then proposes to her. The webcomic of the same name was created by Hee Ha with illustrations by Narak. 5. Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok-joo couple. Kim Bok-joo and Yoon Jun-hyung. Kim Bok-joo and Yoon Jun-hyung from the show Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok-joo are loved for their sweet and relatable love story. Bok-joo is a weightlifter, and Jun-hyung is a swimmer. They support each other through their dreams and challenges, making their relationship feel real and special. The actors, Lee Sun-kyung and Nam Joo-hyuk, have great chemistry, bringing these characters to life and making them unforgettable in K-drama history. 4. Crash Landing on You couple. Ri Jeng-hyuk and Yoon Se-ri. Ri Jeng-hyuk and Yoon Se-ri from Crash Landing on You are a couple who come from different places but fall in love. He's a soldier from North Korea, and she's a rich woman from South Korea. Their love story is exciting because they have to deal with the problems between their countries. They make sacrifices for each other, and their chemistry is easy to see. The actors who play them, Hyun Bin and Sun Ye-jin, got married in real life, which made fans really happy. 3. Strong Girl Bong Soon couple. An Min-hyuk and Do Bong Soon. An Min-hyuk and Do Bong Soon from Strong Girl Bong Soon are a super popular couple in K-dramas. Bong Soon, who's super strong, protects Min-hyuk, a Seo, which leads to funny and sweet moments. They have a strong bond based on respect, trust, and helping each other grow. People love them because they have great chemistry and support each other through tough times, making them a favorite couple in K-drama history. 2. Descendants of the Sun. Couple. Yoo Si-jin and Kang Mo-yoon. Yoo Si-jin and Kang Mo-yoon from Descendants of the Sun are a super famous couple in K-dramas. Si-jin is a tough special forces captain, while Mo-yoon is a skilled surgeon. Despite their different jobs, they fall for each other. Their love story is full of exciting moments because they face danger and challenges together. They make sacrifices for each other and support one another through tough times. People love them because they show that love can conquer anything. Their chemistry and sweet moments make them one of the most loved couples in K-drama history. 1. My Daemin. Couple. Jang Ji-won and Do Do-hee. Jang Ji-won and Do Do-hee from My Daemin are one of the most talked about couples in this year's Korean drama scene. Played by Song Kang and Kim Yoo-young, they have a strong presence on screen and share great chemistry. Do Do-hee, known for being calm and collected as the heiress of Future Group, finds herself questioning her beliefs about love when she enters a contract marriage with Jang Ji-won, a charming Daemin. Things get interesting when Jang Ji-won gives up his powers unexpectedly, leading their relationship to take a romantic turn and adding exciting twists to the storyline. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe and get notified.